to go roast.
We were gonna make s'mores, but she forgot the graham crackers. But I don't care because I don't like graham crackers.
So we're gonna make roasted marshmallows with chocolate. See you there.
Oh. Man.
We're going what?
Stick hunting.
Sassy's going to help us. Nope. Okay, never mind. Have you not found her yet? We're going what?
Dog hunting.
Oh, Sassy's gonna help us now. Maggie! Come on, Maggie! Come on, Maggie! Come on, Maggie! She's gonna pop a squat again. Maggie!
Maggie.
Maggie! Told you.
That was exciting.
Saw a close up.
That's great. Stick, 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 stick. I don't think this looks like a good stick. Stick. This one's pretty good. Which one looks better? This one. Stick. I'm glad you ducked. We got our sticks.
Feel like a wizard. I think it's fine. Drinking water from that.
I'm not drinking it.
But you're putting it on your stick that you're gonna eat off of.
Okay, well we'll go under the faucet.
Yeah, just cut it in half.
No.
It's harder than it looks.
All right. I had a really late reaction to that.
Aw.
You just got smoke all over.
Yeah.
It's all dirty. It looks like frog skin. Eat it.
Uh-oh.
Look at our marshmallow. Got a kind of a smoky taste to it. We're eating smoked marshmallow.
Called roasted marshmallow. What? What?
Nothing. You didn't see that. Wow, yours.
Flaming marshmallow.
It's getting stuck to the roof of my mouth. There's side of me.
Mhm.
Ah! Ew, you got it in